people, how would you like to come along with us right now?
Evening, YouTube. It's the Spaceman landing in your area once again tonight on a Thursday evening on January 4th. And sitting here enjoying my Savinelli Roma 620 Paul, and then the pipe from Dunhill Mixture 965, which made my list of top 10 tobaccos for 2016/2017. So I quite favor this blend a lot. It's an English kind of blend, but it's officially listed as the Scottish blend type, consisting of Cavendish, Latakia, Oriental, Turkish, and Virginia tobaccos. The choicest small Latakia, it gives it a rich, nutty flavor and gives it a coolness, like a coolness to the burning of this in your bowl. Then you have the Macedonia Bright, which gives it a sweetness, and that's rounded out by the brown Cavendish. It's a ribbon cut, and it's available as long as Dunhill continues to ship it into the United States, import it, whatever, and as long as the supplies that are there last after that has been terminated, as rumor has had it that is supposed to be terminated. They've lost their importer, or they're not going to have an importer. Basically, you're not going to be able to get Dunhill. I have yet to see that happen, but this is what I hear in the pipe community. So I'm drinking a good coffee here tonight. Trying something new. It's a New England coffee. San Francisco blend. Dark roasted, rich and aromatic. It smells really good. Really delightful. Nothing like some good pipe tobacco to smoke with some good coffee, and the aroma of this my mixture is also very, 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 very good. Oh, so delightful. Anyway, with no further ado, I am not just here to smoke my pipe and talk, because I received a couple of packages today, and one of them is tobacco, and this will be, of course, my first tobacco order of 2018. So let's open her up. This is from TOBACCO-PIPES.com, which is in Spring Hill, Florida, down in my neck of the woods. Well, actually not my neck of the woods, but it's in the same state. And I don't know, maybe it's not that far from where I live. I'm not totally sure. I'll have to check that out. I don't think they have a brick and mortar store you can just walk in. But no matter. Tobacco doesn't take long to get here. And I got a couple tins, and look what it is. Speak of the devil. This is some good stuff. So I'm stocking up on it whenever I can, just in case it does decide to go away. Because if it only becomes available in the UK, trust me, you will not be able to get it here. I've already tried that. I've already tried to go to GQ Tobaccos and a few other places in the UK on the internet, a few vendors, to try to obtain some Peterson 2017 holiday season blend, and they do not ship to the United States. So I'm going to try to get, you know, a good decent amount of this whenever I can afford it. Can't afford to buy tobacco all the time, but I would advise people to somewhat stock up on Dunhill, because I mean, it may or may not happen. I heard it is going to happen. So, and this is a little bit of a, not just a rumor, this is a little bit of a confirmational thing that I've heard from some pretty reliable sources. Now we got another package, but this is not tobacco. This is from PHSC Hobbies, which is an eBay seller, and this would be for the beginning of a project that I'm going to begin working on probably in February. I'm shooting for February. I wanted to start on the project this month, but I can't due to financial reasons. And I'll show you what that is. Okay, it is an American Limited HO-SCALE train car, Winchester and Western. That's awfully funny because they did not list the number as 9538. They listed it as, oh, I see, the road number. Okay, I hope I don't have the same road number, but if I do, then oh well. But anyway, this is the car. It's HO, and this train used to run through the town where I lived in Vineland. It ran from Bridgeton to Millville. So when I start my railroad, it will basically consist of the railroads of CSX, Conrail, NS, like it did where I lived, and there'll be Winchester and Western, and then in any other train I want to run, really. But when I'm realistically running, like prototype kind of thing going on, it's going to be these railroads. So I been buying some calendars, 50% off, and I stopped into CVS the other night, and I picked up this calendar. Cranky Kitty or whatever. It's got some pretty funny pictures of some cats. So I'm a cat person, so I like cats. So you know, look at this dude lounging out here. He look relaxed. He needs a pipe to be smoking. It's kind of funny, isn't it? So I picked that calendar up, and I picked up a couple others. So I'll be hanging them on my wall. And now, starting to get up there as far as getting things done here. I've got my new issue of Model Railroader, which says come back to 1957. So this has got a lot of things from the 50s in it. And my subscription number is starting to get up there. So I'm probably about 1,875 right now. So I've got about 125 more subscribers, and I'm going to hit the 2,000 mark. Since I started out as a railroad and etc., other stuff, various other things, I didn't really start out as with a distinctly defined channel. It was just a conglomeration of all kinds of things. But since I became, you know, like half pipe channel, half train channel, I noticed that my subscription rate has been climbing rapidly. Well, it was already a railroad before that. My channel already consisted of prototype and model railroad videos. So what I'm going to do is, I'm still trying to come up with a goal that I can do, and I'm still going through this process, and I'll probably have a little bit of time here to come up with something sensibly for everybody, because something that's sensible for everyone, because I've got different subscribers for different things. I've got people that subscribe to my channel for railroads, real railroads, model railroads, cats, and I've got a large number of that. Chunk of that is for the from the pipe smoking community. So I have to decide and what I'm going to do and exactly what I'm going to give out. And I'm looking at possibly a gift card. So I'm rolling this around. I'm rolling around what I want to do, what kind of goal I want to do. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do. I definitely will do something. I can't tell you whether it's going to be the minute I reach 2,000 subscribers, or whether it'll be like with that following month thereafter or whatever. But I'll let you know when that's going to happen. As you can see, I got a shave today, so no, I didn't get scalped. My roommate said, I think you got scalped by your relatives. I have Cherokee, Sioux, and Shawnee Indian in my family lineage, by the way, and he's just joking around with me. But the other half of me is Italian, and the other half is English, Scottish, Irish, and Indian. And maybe a tiny bit of Russian in there. I also found out I have German relatives, but I don't think I have German blood, but I found out I have relatives through marriage in Germany. So that was interesting to find that out. But that's that, and I'm going to sit here and enjoy my mixture 965. And my cup of coffee. I got a new cup here from Spencer Gifts. It's me. This is me, yeah. It's got me written all over it. Right? What better cup? See a little flying saucer? Oh, well. Alright then. I'll see you guys in the next video. And you have a good evening, and you take care, and thank you for watching and all that good stuff. Cheers.